Hello, my name is Tomáš Mařík, and in this video I would like to explain you the way I am using Google Access Token in my application. The reason I am using the Google Access Token is listed in the privacy policy. Uh, it's used for the uh, creating account in Notado application, for creating and deleting the calendars, for creating events, and for reading the events from the calendar. To be able to explain you the way I am using it, I need to explain a little bit more about how the Notado application works. So let's start in the beginning. Notado application is the system for creating reservation. It's aimed for the small businesses like the haircut salon or the massage. So let's start by creating the account. For that I use the Google sign-in technology. Okay, once I sign in, I am redirected to wizard which will help me to set up my business. So now imagine I am the owner of the Relax Saloon with the domain relax.cz. I provide the massage service, and the yoga service. Okay, I have two employees, Anna and let's say Tom. Okay, great. So my business is basically set. I am providing two services and I have two employees. So now what I want to do is connect my Notado application with my Google account. So whenever my customer will create a reservation, I will see that in my Google Calendar. Okay, so what happened now is that Notado created for me in my Google Calendar uh, for every employee one calendar. So that was an example how I use Google Access Token uh, to create calendars. So let's check it in my calendar. And as you can see, there is calendar for Anna and calendar for the Tom. So now let's see that from the customer point of view. So imagine that I am the owner of the domain relax.cz. I have a web page there with the button create reservation. And whenever my customer will click that button, he will redirect to relax-cz.notado.cz where he is able to create the reservation. Okay, let's adjust it a little bit. I will just change the background to be more visible. I will fill basic information. I will select the service which I want, and now the form will allow me to select the date and the time of the reservation. So how it works? Notado will read the events from the employees' calendars. And in case that my business is closed during the public holidays, it will also read the events from the holiday calendar. And then, based on all these events and based on my opening hours of the business, the Notado will compute the time availabilities for the reservation. So that was an example how I use Google Access Token to actually read the events from the calendar. And once I go through the form, the Notado created event in a Tom calendar. So let's see that, and as you can see, there is an created event representing my appointment. Okay, and that's all. I hope I answered all your questions, and thank you for your attention.